In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Liberty Mutual app on iPhone and Android. If you want quick access to your insurance information right from your phone, the Liberty Mutual app can be a convenient tool. It allows you to keep important features in one place, so you do not have to sign in through a browser every time. The process is simple, and it works a little differently depending on whether you are using an iPhone or an Android device, but the overall steps are very similar. Start by opening the App Store on your phone. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you are using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. Once the store is open, look for the search bar at the top of the screen and tap on it. Now type in Liberty Mutual. As the search results appear, take a moment to make sure you are choosing the correct app. You want to download the official app called Liberty Mutual Mobile by Liberty Mutual Insurance Company. This is important because you should avoid downloading third-party apps or anything that looks unofficial. Double-checking the app name can help you avoid confusion and make sure you are installing the right one. After you find the official app, tap Get if you are on iPhone or tap Install if you are on Android. Your phone may ask you to confirm the download before it begins. On iPhone, that could mean using Face ID or entering your Apple ID password. On Android, you may be asked to confirm with your Google account login, depending on your settings. This is a normal part of the installation process and helps verify that you want to download the app. Once you confirm, wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. This usually only takes a short time, depending on your internet connection. When the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app for the first time. After opening it, you will be able to access useful features designed to help you manage your insurance more easily. For example, the app lets you view insurance ID cards, file and track claims, pay bills, manage your policy, and request roadside assistance. That makes it especially helpful if you need quick access while you are away from your computer. Just remember, the key tip here is to make sure you download the official app, Liberty Mutual Mobile, and not a third-party version. And that's how to download the Liberty Mutual app on iPhone and Android.